In this video, I'm going to show you how to graph a system of equations and solve that system by graphing in your calculator. First thing we need to do is hit the y equals button so that we can type our two equations in for y1 and y sub 2. So in y1, I'm going to use the equation y equals x plus 5. So I need to start by hitting the x key, the variable key, underneath the mode button, and then plus 5. Now I'm going to arrow down to the next row for y sub 2, and I'm going to type in another equation. In this example, I'm going to use negative 2x minus 1. So negative 2x minus 1. And then I'm going to hit graph. Now I'm zoomed to the standard window, but if you're not, you can zoom or change your window. As you can see, these two lines intersect right here. Now, you never want to try and just eyeball where that ordered pair is. You can use your graphing calculator to find out that exact point. So we're going to go under the CALC menu. When we go under the CALC menu, it's above the trace button. So we're going to have to press the second key before we hit the trace button. Under the CALC menu, we see lots of things, but for this example, we want to find the intersection point of those two graphs, so that would be number 5. Now, it's going to ask you a few questions, and the way we answer is by pressing enter. So it's asking if the cursor is on the first curve, and in this case it's a line, but yes, the cursor is on that first curve. So I'm going to press enter. Now notice it hops to the second curve, so it's asking if it's now on the second curve, so you press enter. And then guess. Now you don't have to move your cursor, but sometimes it's a little more accurate if you can move your cursor closer to where you think the intersection point is, and then press enter. And then your calculator will calculate that intersection point for you. As you can see, the x value is negative 2 and the y value is 3. So this is the ordered pair negative 2, 3, and that represents the solution to that system of equations, which is the point where those two lines cross.